Hello, Udemy student. My name is Jordan Ring. Welcome to my course, Trello Mastery, How to Use the Ultimate Kanban Organization Method. Now we're going to talk a little bit about what Kanban actually means before we go any further. Basically, it just means a system of organization where you have a to-do list, you have working on, and you have finished. You can expand it from there, and I'm going to show you a lot of examples and how to set those functions up within Trello. But really, that is the basics. You want to have a to-do list, you want to have a working on, and you want to have done. This is an organization method for project organization, for basic to-do lists. People use it to plan weddings, plan trips. There are so many different ways to use this Trello, and I'm going to be showing you those different ways. But thank you so much for purchasing this course. I wanted just to make sure you knew that you could reach out to me at any time. Jordan@jmring.com, and I will be happy to connect with you, answer any questions on Trello you might have. You can also post a question within the course as well. If anything comes up and you're not really sure about what I'm doing or how I got to that point, I will be glad to help you out. I love Trello. I'm obsessed with Trello. I use it for many different work projects. If I didn't have it, I don't know where I would be. I don't know how I would keep everything. I don't know how I would keep all my hats on, so to speak. So thank you for purchasing. I look forward to having you in this course, and I'm excited to begin.